What's going on, guys? We got some Chick-fil-A today. We finally got some Chick-fil-A today. I've been wanting some Chick-fil-A for the longest. Jalapeno ranch. Provecho. Add some of this mac and cheese on the sandwich. Yeah. You want a bite? I know I do. Damn, why am I sweating? I'm getting a little hot. Put down the windows a little bit, let the breeze come in. I think this is actually my first time ever getting the wraps. We got it with the avocado ranch. Put some up in there. Can never have enough ranch. Eating some Chick-fil-A right now. Windows down, birds chirping. I'm eating good. Can't forget about the sweet tea.